Hey guys, Jameson here. Today we're going to talk about monitoring the iron level in a phosphate bath. It's an important parameter to keep an eye on because if your iron climbs too high, you can get a non-uniform coating that'll suffer from blush rust and maybe some premature salt spray failure. And if your iron content gets too low, you'll get these coarse phosphate crystals that'll also result in a non-uniform coating. Your iron content will also tell you when it's time to dump the bath. So there's a quick yes-no test you can perform on the line using iron test paper. You just dip it in, and if it turns pink, you know that iron is present and you can perform a titration to find out how much. If it stays white, you're going to have to break your bath in. That means you can process scrap parts or steel wool for several hours at a temperature slightly below your operating temperature. This will help the iron dissolve faster. To find a specific temperature, just consult the technical data sheet for that product. So let's just test this real quickly with the iron test paper. So we only have to hold it in for a second. And since it turned pink, we know we can take a sample and go titrate it in the lab. Here is the permanganate titration that you'll be using to find the iron content in your bath. We're going to start with a 10 ml sample of the bath. We'll add 50 ml of deionized water. One ml of 50% sulfuric acid. And then we're going to titrate with 0.18 normal potassium permanganate. Okay, and you're done once you reach a light pink color that will persist for more than 15 seconds. We're at 1.8 ml. By using 0.18 normal potassium permanganate and a 10 ml starting sample, to find our concentration, all we have to do is take our mils titrated and divide by 10. So our 1.8 ml will give us 0.18% iron in our phosphate bath. One more thing to consider is to use an amber bottle to hold your permanganate, as it is light sensitive. A heavy zinc phosphate bath should be dumped once the iron content exceeds 1%. And as the iron content approaches 0.4 to 0.6% in a manganese phosphate bath, a hydrogen peroxide treatment can be performed that will prolong the life of that bath. Operating instructions for this hydrogen peroxide treatment and safety considerations can be found in the technical data sheet. If the production schedule does not allow a charge, part of the bath can be decanted and replaced with fresh solution. However, the benefit of this is short-lived, as it does not remove the sludge or scale from the tank. When a new bath is charged, you can keep 10 to 15% of the old solution, the clear part, and use that to seed the new bath. That will save you some time breaking it in. Thank you.